everyone, I am Hazel and today I'll be explaining our kidney model. Now this activity was done by me and my groupmate Emeline Alinapon. We originally started this project during our face-to-face class, but since our schedule got cancelled and turned into an online class, Emeline took the time to redo and complete the model at home. And since we live far from each other, I will be the one explaining while she focused on making the model. This project is part of our module in the urinary system, and it helps us understand how the kidney works to filter blood and remove waste. But more than that, the kidneys are essential in maintaining homeostasis, or the body's internal balance. So let's take a closer look at how it all works. This model represents the urinary system, which includes the kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Each part has a specific role in processing and removing waste from our body. First, these two kidneys act like natural filters. Every day they filter about 50 gallons of blood, removing waste, extra water, and toxins. Inside each kidney, tiny structures called nephrons work to separate the useful substances which go back into the blood and the waste which becomes urine. Now this bottle represents blood entering the kidneys through the renal artery. The red and the blue paper strips represent the renal artery and renal vein. The renal artery brings in blood filled with waste, and after filtration, the clean blood exits through the renal vein back into circulation. And once the kidneys have filtered the blood, the waste turns into urine, which travels down these ureters, thin tubes that connect the kidneys to the bladder. Now this is the urinary bladder, where urine is temporarily stored. It expands when it fills up and contracts when it's time to release the urine. And finally, the urethra. It is the passage where urine exits the body. This completes the process of removing waste and excess water from our system. Now to help visualize this process, we are going to pour water into the plastic bottle. This represents blood filled with waste, and as it moves through the kidneys, the waste is removed, and the clean blood returns to the body. The filtered waste, now urine, moves down the ureters into the bladder and eventually exits through the urethra. But the kidneys do more than just remove waste. They are crucial for maintaining homeostasis, or the body's internal balance. And here's how they do it. Number 1, regulating water balance. The kidneys control how much water stays in our body. If we're dehydrated, they hold onto more water. If we drink too much, they remove the excess through urine. Number 2, balancing electrolytes and pH. The kidneys adjust the levels of sodium, potassium, and other ions in the blood. They also help maintain the right pH level so that our body's chemical reactions function properly. Number 3, controlling blood pressure. The kidneys help regulate blood pressure by adjusting the amount of water and salts in the blood. They also release hormones that control blood vessel function. Number 4, producing hormones. The kidneys produce important hormones like erythropoietin, which helps create red blood cells, and renin, which helps regulate blood pressure. Now to summarize, our kidney model shows how the urinary system filters blood, removes waste, and controls fluid levels in our body. But more importantly, the kidneys help maintain homeostasis, keeping everything balanced so that our body functions properly. And without healthy kidneys, waste and toxins would build up, making us sick. That's why it is important to drink enough water and take care of our kidneys. I hope this explanation helped you understand our project. Thank you for watching.